10 years ago, on July 11, 2015, I posted my first video on YouTube. The hissing and lisping of its overly filtered audio has always made me sick, and I vowed that I would go back to it someday to do a better job. Well, here we are. I wrote Manifesto in 2015 to put myself in the mood for a story. At first, you hear the silence. 3 years later, James Goddard of Leaky Boot Press included the poem in my collection, Ice and Autumn Glass. Thank you, James. I dedicate this reading to you. Manifesto. At first, you hear the silence. As dreamers in a Gatineau demesne await an autumn sunset, or the frost that forms in crystal winding sheets below the ever-falling moon, they understand that life's fragility is beautiful, if only for the poignancy of time and all things time has taken. If our dooms can lead our thoughts to beauty, then the dreads and non-existent symbols of our deaths can also bear the weight of beauty's charm. Show me, then, in words or painted guise, the monsters that are beautiful, alive. Show me fiends with beaks of beaten gold, with feathers black as mica or the grave. Line the hills with reptant forms that rise to possibilities of light and sky. Women, jeweled with serpent scale and glass, with eyes of midnight intricacy, burn at every glance. Let predatory grace gleam out from every stalking crouch and leap of white-furred nemesis or bodied fear. Monsters, in their elegance, as pure, as lively as the dancers of the day, are heralds of deep happiness inverted, as in the mirror's depths, as in our dreams. Make them beings of beauty, jewelry, silk, pendants for the light of idle minds. Make them signposts on the trails of life, and delectations for the killer, time.